So today we're going to show you how to replace the battery in one of these LiftMaster garage door openers. It just needs a new 2032 battery inside, and I'll put a link to those batteries in the description. But the reason I knew this wasn't working is because past couple weeks it has been working when I'm like right under it. Now it's to the point where it's not even doing that now. You press the button and it's not working, but the symptoms were it was working here, and then as I backed out just a few feet, it wouldn't work from there. So you knew the battery was getting weaker because this unit wasn't completely dead. It was a proximity issue. Now it's dead to the point where it doesn't work at all. So let's take a look on how to replace this. All right, so we've got our LiftMaster garage door opener here, but it should work with similar other garage door openers too. And then for this one at least, you have the 2032 battery. Just needed one of these, but sold it in a 2-pack. And again, I'll put links to some batteries you can buy in the description. All right, we have our new battery out. Just set that to the side. Now, what you're supposed to do with this, because there's no screws to open this, but you're actually going to slide this clip off. It slides off and on so you can attach it to your car. And then look around your LiftMaster device. You can see there's sort of like a little lip here. And you're going to take the non-curved edge of this and try to wedge it in there. And you can see as I'm doing that, we're sort of getting to prop this open. It's actually a little easier than I thought. And you're just going to keep doing that work. You should be able to work just that front part there. And then start opening it up. Let's see if we can, might want to slowly wedge the other end too. Yeah, if it doesn't come free, feel free to just work your way around the whole thing. So now I have this off, and this particular one came with the plastic piece. So I'm just going to temporarily set that back down there. And now we have our battery here. And if you want to help prop that out, you can again try to use the clip to get in there and pop it out. Just go underneath it a little bit. Old battery pops out. Now it says here negative side down, so it's pretty easy to tell like the battery's gonna be positive here. This end is gonna be negative, so you're just gonna push it straight down like that. So it's secured in there. Try not to mess around with other components. You don't want to mess it up. And you can see the 3 buttons in case you're like, well, which direction do I put this? These are the 3 garage door buttons. So if I flip this back around, this is the correct way to put it because you got 1 button here and these 2 buttons for these ones. So you're just going to try to line it up and push it together. What's funny is, as I did that, I think I accidentally pressed the garage door to open. Let me go check. Yeah, funny enough, as I was assembling it, I accidentally pressed the garage door button. So clearly it worked even from inside the house, unlike earlier. But let's do it again for demonstrative purposes of closing it. I'm going to press the button. Boom, right away it closes. Good thing is you don't need to reprogram it afterward because, if possible, you don't want to have to get a little ladder out and step up there and reprogram it. So that's the nice thing about getting a new battery as opposed to buying a whole new garage door opener. So yes, that's how you replace the battery, and that's pretty simple and easy. The trick is to using this as your tool to open it. If you like this video, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you next time.